Monday, January 27th. The volatility in this day was absolutely bonkers, and for some reason I knew that, yet didn't change a thing. I think I'm going to have a difficult time trading this. Probably will be stopped out really quickly. That's okay, there are those days. Was it okay though? Why not adapt? I took a counter trend short after getting this signal. It's a great setup when with the trend, but it's much less likely to work counter trend. I was stopped out quickly by a couple of points, and then price went down a bit. This should have been a 15-point winner, but I didn't change my stop to fit the market and got stopped out early. Usually when I trade, the average 15-second ATR is around 9.5. Here it was more than 20, meaning I either have to use a bigger stop or become extremely precise. I chose wrong, and it's very apparent in this trading. I switched to the 5-second chart so my stop would match the ATR better. I tried another short here. This time I was more precise and gave the stop some extra room. It got very close to my target, so I exited manually for a nice 19-point win. After this close, I tried another short and ran out of luck. Price just ran through 2 seconds after my entry. Next I longed this, anticipating long continuation, but I didn't let the trade work out and was stopped out after moving my stop to break even. Then I had the bright idea to short the bottom, and I didn't even manage to stay 2 seconds in the trade. I wanted to wait too long either of these areas, but my patience had run out and I found myself shorting just 30 seconds later. This is what horrendous monkey brain trading looks like. No thinking, no patience, no discipline, doing the exact opposite of what I should be doing. On days like these, I wish I had a reverse indicator of myself. Believe me, I have considered coding one more than once. Finally, I longed, only for it to be the top. Yeah, this wasn't going well. That made me think. I think it's time to go back to the 15 second. But not even 3 minutes had passed and I said this. Honestly, maybe I should trade the 1 second. My head was not screwed on tightly that day. The volatility completely messed with me and I forgot to think. Remember the zone I had here at 280? Had I waited and longed it just like I wanted, it would have resulted in a fantastic 20 to 40 point trade, but I wasn't patient enough to trade properly. Ready for some 1 second madness? Either way, here it is. I took a short here, and I'm actually not sure why. Of course, that didn't work out. Then I took a long, and knowing that I only have 6.5 points of drawdown left, I moved my stop to break even immediately. And even though it did move 20 points later, I would have been exactly stopped out at my max daily loss limit to the tick. So I guess it's good I was spared that eternal pain. And for my final stupid exhibition, I got stopped out to the tick before price went 12 points in my direction. I started off with 2 decent trades, but then I got roped into the insane volatility and I zoomed in instead of zooming out. That engaged my monkey brain and resulted in horrendous trading. The only good thing I can say about this trading is that I had good ideas for trades 1, 2, and 4. In volatile times, I gotta be more methodical and trade slower, not be affected by the volatility and miss the bigger picture. Volatile days are great opportunities to win big, and I wasted this one trading badly. The second I got roped into the volatility of this day, it was over. Trading from the monkey mind does not work. Doing the opposite of it does. But you can only do that by accessing a higher level of thinking. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you learned something. This has been Nimble Trading.